Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the rear shock absorbers on BMW 5 Series E39. When we remove the shock absorbers, we can also replace the spring and the strut support mount. When you are replacing the shock absorbers, you should do that in pairs, so you should replace both at the same time. The shock absorber is held by one bolt on the bottom, right there, and 3 bolts on top, but in order to access the 3 bolts, we need to remove the seats, and I'll show you what afterwards. So first we start by removing the headrests. Next we're going to remove this light and disconnect it from the electrical connector, and then remove this panel. Afterwards do the same on the other side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove these plastic covers. We're going to be using a plastic pry tool so that we don't damage any plastic. Next we're going to remove the lower part of the seat. We just need to pull it out like this. Just pull it hard and it will unlock, and then do the same on the other side. Next we need to remove the upper part of the back seat. There is 2 bolts holding it. One is right there, which in my case is missing, and on the other side also. After removing the bolts, we just need to pull up the seat, remove the seat belts, and just take it out. Next we're going to remove this metal plate that's over there. You see what I'm removing. It's held by 4 bolts. I need to remove that. Next I'm going to remove the 4 plastic clips that hold this cover. I'm going to remove them, and then I can remove the whole cover. I'm removing also the covers for the loudspeakers. And now this big cover is free, so I'm just going to pull it out. Now that the cover is removed, I have access to the loudspeakers. The loudspeakers are held by two Phillips head screws and also one electrical connector. And that's one of the loudspeakers removed. Next I'm going to remove the other loudspeaker. And that's the other loudspeaker removed. Now that the loudspeakers are removed, I have access to the upper bolts of the shock absorber. They're just underneath this cap. You can see them right there, 3 nuts we need to remove, and then the shock absorber goes down. Before I remove the upper bolts of the shock absorber, first I'm going to remove the lower bolt. Before removing the lower bolt though, I need to remove this mudguard because it's in the way of removing the shock absorber afterwards. Next, I'm going to remove the lower bolt of the shock absorber. Next, I'm going to remove the upper nuts that hold the shock absorber. Before I just loosen the bolt for the shock absorber, and I'm going to remove it completely. And now I should now take out the shock absorber. The shock is not gonna come out that easy because on the bottom it's in a pocket. You need to hit it. Sometimes you might need to hit it hard. In my case, I'm going to use a pneumatic hammer and try and take it out that way. Sometimes it can be really stuck. In my case it was really stuck, so I used a lot of force with the air hammer to take out the shock absorber from its pocket. I'm hitting it from one side, from the other side, just in order to try and take it out. Yep, I think now it came out, so now I'm just going to remove the shock absorber. And that's the shock absorber out. Next I need to replace it with a new one along with the spring and a strut support mount, and then put it back on the car. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.